Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to decide which Wi-Fi router you should buy. So if you are planning to have broadband connection in your home or office and you don't know which router you should buy, then this video is for you. So there are some factors that you should consider while buying a Wi-Fi router. So the first thing that you should consider is that the Wi-Fi router should be of double band. So the router that you are going to purchase should have both 2.5 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz band in it. So the higher the band, like 5 gigahertz, so higher the performance and higher the speed of the internet. So just make sure that when you are buying a router, it should have both 2.5 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz of band in it. It will be a little costly than the 2.5 gigahertz band router, but it can considerably increase the speed of your internet. And if there is any obstacle also, like wall or some door between the router and the device that is going to use the internet, then also there is no loss of performance and you get high speed internet. The second point that you should consider is wireless connectivity speed. So while buying the router, you should check the specification of the router and just see what is the speed of the router. The maximum speed that router comes in is 450 Mbps. So always make sure that the router speed should be always more than the broadband plan speed which you are buying. Suppose you are buying a broadband plan of 500 Mbps and the router that you are having is that of 300 Mbps. So you will not be able to fully utilize the speed of the broadband connection that you are having. So always make sure that the speed of the router should be more than the speed of the broadband connection that you are having. The next point to consider is antenna dBi. So dBi here is decibels and it refers to the strength gain of the antenna. So if you are living in a 2 BHK apartment, or then I would suggest that you should buy a router with a dBi of 2 to 4 dBi. The higher the dBi, the larger the area it covers. So for a small location, 2 to 4 dBi of router will be enough. But if the area is large, then you have to consider buying a 10 dBi or more than that router. Now the last factor to consider is the position of the Wi-Fi router. So position the Wi-Fi router at a place or a location where you are going to sit the most or where you are going to use the internet the most, because the more the distance between your Wi-Fi router and the device, the lesser will be the internet speed. So just place the Wi-Fi router at a position where you are going to use it the most. So this is how you can decide which Wi-Fi router to buy. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.